Hello everybody, welcome back to another Square Food recipe kit. This week we are doing traditional flapjacks but with a slight twist. We're going to be putting a bit of lemon, some sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds and some ground ginger in, which gives it a really nice fresh taste and just slightly different to the traditional recipe. Hope you enjoy. So the flapjacks are out of the oven, they've had a bit of time to cool, they're nicely cut up and ready to go. I'm just going to try a little bit of one now, that'll be perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Delicious. Really good, perfect. The lemon's coming through nicely, the ginger comes through, which gives it a bit of difference, which is really nice. I hope you enjoyed following this recipe, and as always, please send in any pictures of the flapjacks that you make. Thank you very much.